Your bedroom is more than just a place to sleep. It's a sanctuary where style meets comfort. Imagine stepping into a cozy retreat that combines the charm of rustic farmhouse aesthetics with the timeless elegance of vintage design. Rustic wooden furniture is the heart of farmhouse aesthetics. Opt for distressed finishes, earthy tones, and antique-inspired pieces that exude warmth and timeless charm. A vintage wardrobe or an old-style wooden bed frame can act as the centerpiece, complemented by intricately carved nightstands and a soft, neutral-tone color palette. Textiles are key in achieving the cozy vintage vibe. Layering fabrics like quilts, knitted blankets, and lace curtains add depth and charm to the space. Incorporate floral patterns, gingham or faded paisleys for that unmistakable vintage flair. A bedroom decorated in a farmhouse style, featuring a large bed with a white headboard and bedding with a delicate floral pattern. A wooden bench with storage sits at the foot of the bed. The overall mood is serene, rustic, and elegant. Lighting plays a key role in setting the tone for this nostalgic space. Rather than opting for cold, modern lighting, a rustic farmhouse bedroom often features soft, warm lighting that creates a cozy, inviting atmosphere. One of the most enchanting aspects of incorporating vintage elements in a rustic farmhouse bedroom design is the freedom to mix and match pieces from different eras and styles. Unlike strict modern designs,